little Joe. What are you doing? Are you hanging out with Miss Morgan today? I miss you. I wanted to give you lots of kisses last night. I know, but you were with Daddy. Yeah. So you want some kisses now? Mommy will give you some kisses. Are you ready? Oh my goodness. What's that smell? Are you a stinky boy? Oh my goodness, stinky boy. Let me see your hands. Are your hands clean like Mama's? Or do you got stinkies? If you got stinkies, you better get Miss Morgan to clean you up. Because if you get cleaned up, then I can kiss you. Because remember, you like your morning kisses. Are you ready? You got clean hands? Okay, you tell Miss Morgan you got to wait to get clean hands. And you know you can play your Xbox with your Xbox remote when you have clean hands. Okay, so you get your hands clean. And then you turn on the video. And then Mommy will come back and kiss you. Okay, ready? Okay, I'm going to wait. Remember, I'm going to wait. Hi, Jojo. How are you? Did you get your hands all clean like Mama? Oh, that's so good. Are you ready? I'm going to give you kisses. Here we go. Oh, my goodness. Are you ready? You want some more kisses? Okay. Oh, my goodness. Oh, my goodness. I like those kisses. I'm going to come home after school, and Mommy's going to give you a big hug. And I got a pumpkin, and the pumpkin wears a hat, and we can put the hat on the pumpkin. Okay? All right. So you be a good boy today, and you make sure you smell all pretty. Yeah, you got to smell good, okay? And you be sweet to Miss Morgan. You give her a kiss. Okay? Be sweet to Miss Morgan. And I'll see you later. Okay, I'm going to tell you bye. Bye.